Again in my YouTube channel Short Woman Crazy Haircut. In this video, I will show you the short hairstyle short bob pixie haircut. A short bob pixie haircut is a trendy no maintenance style that have the gained immense popularity in recent years. This chic versatile cut combines the classic elegance of a bob with the eggy charm of a pixie, resulting in a look that's the both sophisticated and the rebellious. Our channel is dedicated to providing high quality content that's the both informative and the entertaining, from in-depth tutorials and product reviews to celebrity hairstyles and everyday inspiration. We will be covering it all. Our goal is to create a community where the hair enthusiasts can come together, share ideas, and learn from one another. So, whatever you are, a hairstylist, a beauty blogger, or are simply someone who loves all things hairs, we invite you to join our conservation. A short bob pixie haircut is characterized by its the close cropped length, typically reaching the jawline or the ears. The hair is cut in choppy layers, adding a texture, volume, and movement to the style. The layers can be cut to frame the face, accentuating the cheekbones and jawlines, or to add a playful PC look to our all style. One of the best thing about the short bob pixie haircut is its versatility. Where it comes to styling, this cut can be styled in many ways, from sleek and polished to messy and undone. A bite of the styling wax or promote can be add a definitions and a texture, while a bold lip color can be complete the look. For a more polished look, a round brush and the blow dryer can be used to add a sleek, smooth finish. A short bob pixie haircut is ideal for those with the heart-shaped face and angular features, as it is the accentuate the jawlines and create a stringing balanced look. This cut can also suit those with the square and oval shape, and it's add a touch of sophistication and the femininity to the overall look. In terms to the hair types, a short bob pixie haircut can work well with the straight wavy and curly hair, although it may require more the styling product to add a texture and definition. To maintain a short bob pixie haircut, regular trims are essential to prevent the split ends and the breakage. A good conditioner and the heat protectant spray can also be to keep the hair healthy and shiny with the proper care. And the short bob pixie haircut can also be the stunning, confidence boosting styles for the perfect everyday wear. There are very many variations of the short bob pixie haircut. Each can its the unique twist. Some popular variations include the asymmetrical bob pixie haircut. One side is cut the shorter than the other, and the layered bob pixie haircut where the layers are cut to create a lot of volumes and texture. A short bob pixie haircut can also be the paired with the bangs, adding an extra layer of styles and sophistication. A short bob pixie haircut is the stylish low maintenance option that's the perfect for anyone look to update your look with the chic versatile styles and low maintenance requirements. This cut is sure to be a hit whatever we are looking for, a bold fashion forward style or a more understands everyday look. A short bob pixie haircut is definitely worth considering. A short bob pixie haircut is a stunning low maintenance styles that perfect for anyone look to update their look. All the hairs are awesome and pretty, but the short bob pixie haircut is definitely worth it considering. Thanks for watching the all. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow us on the social media for the latest hair trends, tutorials, tips. We cannot wait to help you achieve the hair of your dreams and become the part of our amazing hair community. Again in my YouTube channel.